Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we will be seeing IAM role in AWS. This complete series I have uploaded the previous videos and all. So in the DevOps part, almost 13 to 15 videos has been uploaded. So this is the simplest way I am teaching you, so you can just learn the basics and start with advance in this tutorial. So basically what we were completed almost AWS 7 services. So 7 to 8 services we have completed. There you can see, and this is the last topic which we are going to do. So in AWS, almost everything is completed, whatever required for DevOps. So you can go and watch the playlist, complete like beginner to advanced AWS or DevOps tutorial. So you can check out the playlist. So yeah. So basically, we have last class we have done with S3, S3 bucket, how we are creating, what is the uses of S3 bucket, and live also we have seen all that. So today we are in the IAM role. Like what is IAM role, how it will be useful, and why we are using IAM role, why not another thing, and interview questions and answer I will be sharing in the description uh, chat. So yeah, for DevOps purpose. It is so these thing I'm just AWS for DevOps I am teaching, not for cloud engineering. So if you want to be a DevOps engineer, so these concept requires. So that only I am teaching. So let's start with what is you can see what is IAM role. So basically what it is actually, so IAM is nothing, we something which we are giving the access to another user. So yeah, so in the organization, suppose you have different this is organization, and you have something called different department is there. Okay, so dev team, tech team. So this is dev team, suppose this is dev team, and this is technical support team, and this is for like testing team or QA team, you can call it as. So many team will be there, but I'm just considering these two three teams. So suppose this is the organization, right? So this is the organization. So in this organization, the people will be having whoever is DevOps head, no, DevOps heads or lead, they will be having the root access. What is the root access, and what is the, so what we can see is DevOps will be having root access. What is the mean by root access? Suppose if you're going here, no, AWS console. So AWS management console, and you sign into the console. So yeah, so root user is someone who is having all the access. See, you if you'll go to management console, no, you can see these two root users and IAM user. So these two, if you if someone has given you access, then you are IAM user, and if you are root user, then this everything permission will be default. Everything has been given for you. So that is the difference. So IAM user will be the user which has limited access. So that is what the concept is. So DevOps head will be having root access. So he will be deciding, he will be deciding dev team should have like AWS access in which area he need. Okay, so tech support team, which things they should consider, which services they can access, and which service they should not access. These all things has been assign this task to DevOps head. He will be having root access and he will be giving everyone uh, access. Okay, so he will be giving dev team as well access, tech support team, QA team as well. So suppose dev team needed everything like AWS edit also, not S3 edit option he needed, and Dynamo DB he needed, everything he needed dev team. So it will be given by the DevOps head. This access it will be given. So tech support team only consider it a tech support which is working on only S3 bucket. So what DevOps head or root user would will do now? He will give access only S3 bucket, that to read only. No write option will be available for them. So this is what the case. So I think you might have got this, but how we are doing this? This we will check in the lab. Ki how we will be giving the access and how it will be working. So today we are just seeing ki how theoretically what is the like IAM user. So there will be root user. Root user you understood, right? So root user is someone who is admin, you can say, and there will be IAM user. So IAM user is the user which is root user has created. Simple language, you can tell. Root user has created another user, that is called IAM user. And you can say what is group. Group, I told you something. Suppose this is the dev team. Okay, so what, for easy purpose, AWS has given like for working as a like easy manner, how it is like dev, for dev team you can make one group. In that group you can keep it all the policies, and whenever new people come joins, no, just attach that group and it will be completely all the access will be given to the dev team. This is what the group means. So group is nothing but a set of rules defined, set of rules or policies, you can take. What is policies? Policies is, suppose this tech support team needed S3 read option only, S3 read service only, right? So that is what called the policies. If you are giving S3 read write, these things are called as policies. So this is the policy actually. So policy is nothing but permissions. Okay. So these are the basic concept, you can tell. And I will be showing everything, where group can be selected, where groups are created, and how groups are being attached, and how policies are being attached. All these things I'll just show you in the practical manner. No worries. But for now, just to give the, to take the like to see how like I am working. I'm explaining the theoretical part. So this is theoretical part. So what is IAM definition? Now we can read and understand. So AWS identity and access management is a web service that helps you securely control access to AWS resources. So this is what I told you. Like, is this a service which helps securely control to the access AWS resources. AWS resources as in S3 bucket, EC2 instance. These are AWS resources. So with IAM, you can centrally manage permissions that control which AWS resources user can access. So you can centrally manage. So root user, I explained you, right? The root user can manage centrally who can use what policy he can use. So you use IAM to control who is authenticated, like who has signed in and authorized, has permission to use resources. So this is self-explanatory. who is authenticated user and how, like, he has what permissions and to use resources. So basically what happens, this is making our task is easy. So basically this is the what IAM is. So a user group can contain many users and user can belong to multiple user groups. So what is group? So that is can contain many users. Group is something which has been defined some policies. I told you in simpler manner. So policies and permission. You manage access in AWS by creating policies and attaching them to IAM identities. So this is the policies. So I will show you in the lab part. If you are not getting here, yeah, definitely you will understand in the lab part. So how it works? So it is first it will be in root user. So who workforce user and workloads with IAM? Like who can use what he can use? Can access permission with IAM policies? What resource within your AWS organization? So these are the basic thing. So these are the features which we are fine grained access control. Permissions let you specify and control access to AWS services and resources. Delegate access by using IAM roles. IAM roles anywhere. IAM access analysis. So these are the actually multi-factor authentication. So the multi-factor authentication I will be explaining in detail. But these are the features, like what is the advantage you can tell. So these are the advantage. So basically this is what the IAM role is in AWS, and there are many things so which will be covered in the next tutorial, which is like lab part. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.